Okay, guys, let's look at day 16. Look at number 5, which shows 7,090,550 and 34 hundredths in expanded notation. Miles, which one is it? G, 7 times 1 million, 9 times 10,000, plus 5 times 100, plus 5 times 10, plus 3 times 1/10, plus 4 times 100. G is correct. Very good. All right, so let's go look at number 6. What number represents point M? Okay, guys, the first thing you need to do is what? When you see a number line, what do we need to do, Kenny? Label it. So let's go fill it in with the rest of the whole numbers first. So we have 32, 33. What would come after 33? Let me erase this real quick. So right here would be 34, 35, 36, and then it ends at 37. When I'm looking between two whole numbers, so if I'm looking from 33 to 34, how is that going to be broken up? How do I break up that whole number? I'm going to use decimals, right? But am I going to use tenths or hundredths, Avery? Tenths. So this would be 33 and 1/10, right? 33 and 2/10, 33 and 3/10, 33 and 4/10, 33 and 5/10, and that means M is 33 and 6/10. Very good. Very good. All right, number 7, which is true about the numbers these students wrote? Jacob? B. Lakeisha, let's see, Lakeisha is less than Luke. That is correct. Luke is less than Laura. Luke is not, yes, Luke is less than Laura. That is correct.
I am so very sorry to.
Okay, so we said B. Lakeisha is less than Luke. Luke is less than Laura. That is correct. Okay, number 8. Which number has an 8 with a value of 8 hundredths? A value. Okay, you notice how I'm boxing some important words, kind of like we use our cube strategy. Which one would it be, Maddie? F. F is 8 hundredths, has a value of 8 hundredths. All right, guys, very good.